Namaste, Divine Souls. Today is Monday morning. It's the start of your week. It is a start of your week wherein you're going to step with new things, new plannings, many things. So, with this new start, with this new morning, which you have come from a weekend, that soreness, that relaxation, today we are going to enter in a sacred space. What is a sacred space? It is a space where you're completely surrounded by the divine energy. Herein we call this sacred space. Today's meditation theme is based on Ho'oponopo prayer. Ho'oponopo prayer is I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So this is the theme today. You're going to enjoy it. Be relaxed, be open, and surrender yourself to the divine for today's powerful Monday meditation. Have a big smile on your face. So, today we will start with a little exercise. We will generate our own inner fire through few exercises. If possible, you can stand at a place wherever you're. Just stand on your feet and try to tap your legs on the floor continuously. Just tap it, tap it, tap it. Wow, amazing, amazing. This will help you to ignite your power from inside. This will bring the flow of blood in your body to each and every cell of your body. Just try to speed up, come on, speed up. Yay, yes, you can do it, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come on, more speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. How much you can speed up, speed up. Wow, you are completely dusting off your weekend's relaxation and you're ready for the takeoff with the fire you're generating right now in your body. Wow, how are you feeling? Just leave it. Awesome. This is the way we are connecting with our own self. We are activating each and every cell of our body and opening ourselves to the today's meditation, the first step of your Monday morning. Relax, relax, completely relax. Take a seat. Relax. If you have water with you, take a sip of it. Wow. So it was a great start today. Now sit comfortably wherever you are. You're on a chair, you're on the flat surface. Take a mat and sit. Sit on with a very comfortable posture. Relax completely. Now take your hands, take your thumb finger and index finger. This is called as Jnana Mudra, which will help you to connect directly with your brain. And put it on your lap, or else for more comfort, you can open your hands and put it on your lap. So let us start. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and imagine yourself in a temple of light. Just imagine yourself in the temple of light. It can be any divine energy. It can be your house, it can be a church, it can be a gurudwara, it can be a mosque. It can be a divine place wherever you feel connected to the divine. It can be any place of worship where you find this light of your own divine space. You feel that the space is filled with unconditional love and warmth. You hear soft chants in the background. Listen to it. You hear the soft divine chants in the background, and the air carries the fragrance of blooming flowers. This is your sacred healing space, created by your soul for this moment. Just feel it, visualize it. It's in front of you. It's the place where you're sitting, completely surrounded by the divine light energy, wherein you listen, you feel, you smell, you see, you get connected to the divine light. Let me share a story with you. Are you all ready to listen to the story? There was a healer who, while working with patients in psychiatric ward, did not use traditional medicines. He sat with their files and repeated the 4 Ho'oponopono phrases slowly. Miracle began to unfold. Patients who hadn't spoken in years became smiling. The ward transformed into a space of hope. The healer proved that we can heal ourselves and others simply by healing the energy within us. Today, we will create our own miracles. Are you all ready to create the miracle? So, it is the story of therapist who miraculously healed patients in a Hawaiian state hospital solely with 4 simple statements. Someone recently told me the story of Dr. Iyakala Len, a spiritual expert who practiced the ancient ritual of Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono, a legendary Hawaiian healing and cleansing method, focuses on healing through loving oneself. The story goes to say that Dr. Yu Len looked through the files of each patient at the mental hospital while reviewing the records. He chanted a mantra over each individual file. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Wow, what a wonderful, it's in practical, proven, scientific, and it's have created a history and healed so many patients by a therapist. Now, It has become a therapy for each and every one of us. So, now, are you all ready to heal yourself, to heal the people around you? Just imagine, visualize. Now, take a deep breath inside. Inhale. Exhale. You're inhaling the divine light at your sacred space, the moment now you have created. Inhale the divine light. Exhale the darkness inside you. Inhale divine light. Exhale darkness inside you. Inhale divine light. Exhale the darkness inside you. Now, imagine yourself standing by a serene ocean. The waves gently kiss the shore, carrying away all your worries. In your hand, you hold a glowing orb. Just visualize yourself standing by a serene ocean. Just feel it. Feel with each breath. You have a glowing orb of divine in your hands. You're carrying away all your worries in your hand. You hold a glowing orb. This orb represents the pain or challenge you wish to heal. Just think, visualize, bring out all the worries related to your life or the people's life whom you want to heal. You feel like this person needs healing. Just think of it. The orb in your hand represents the pain or the challenge you wish to heal. You can visualize your whole family, your husband, your wife, your kids, your own self, your parents, your home in this orb. The orb represents the pain or challenge you wish to heal. Just visualize it. As the sun rises, its golden rays touch the orb. Oh my God, just feel it. Just see it that slowly the sun is rising from the ocean and the first ray of its falling on the orb of pain which needs the healing. Oh my God. Just feel it. As the sun rises, its golden rays touch the orb, and you begin repeating the phrases silently in your heart. Slowly, the sun rays are falling on the orb. As it's rising, the orb is also filling with the sunlight, and by that time, you're repeating the phrases silently in your heart. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Each word fills the orb with light until it becomes weightless and dissolved into the ocean, leaving you feeling free. Wow. Just visualize as the sunlight is filling the orb, adding the affirmation. Slowly, the orb is melting and dissolving into the ocean. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now, think of a recent argument, a stressful situation, or a person who hurt you. Now, visualize their face or the situation unfolding in front of you. Now, let's practice the 4 phrases together slowly and meaningfully. Pause after each phrase and feel the divine connection. Just visualize the recent argument or a stressful situation or a person who hurt you. You can see that person, that situation is in front of your eyes. You say it a sorry. You call on to the person, you call on to the situation which have hurted you, which is out of your control. Just visualize it. You feel helpless at this moment. And now, when you see it in front of you, you say this phrase, I am sorry. You feel that sorry from inside. Feel it from inside to the person who have hurted you. Just say him, I'm sorry. Or the situation where you were helpless, things were out of your control, but you really want to help it. Just say, I'm sorry with the deep, divine feeling. Feel it from inside, feel it from your heart, feel it from your core. I am sorry. Please forgive me. ask a sorry, ask a forgiveness. Yes, that's true. The person have hurted you. Yes, it's true. The situation was out of your control. But when you give this kind of vibrations, you heal your karmic connection, your past life knots, the patterns you have manifested through your environment subconsciously. You get what you attract. You have attracted this kind of situations in your life unknowingly. Just visualize and let it go by saying sorry. Let it go the emotion of your hurt. Let it go the guilt of not controlling the situation. Let it go the feeling of that moment which have imprinted in your mind subconsciously. As you let go by saying sorry, asking forgiveness, the pattern in your subconscious mind is changed. The hurt, the guilt, the anxiety, the stress emotion is unfolded to the emotion of let go, and it's clearing the space in your subconscious mind. Feel it. Feel that divine light helping you to say sorry to the situation, to the person. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please let it go from your mind. The situations, the person in front of you, asking them to just release the emotion, the pattern, the hurt they have in their own mind, body, and soul. Ask them to release by forgiving you. And the same with you. You're also releasing the guilt by asking sorry. The divine light and the sacred space just now you're created is helping you to release, to ask, please forgive me. Now, when you're asking sorry and forgiveness, you started feeling lighter and lighter from inside. You have inhaled the light of forgiveness. You have inhaled the light of sorry. Now, with the exhale of all the guilt, stress, anxiety, hurtful situations, now, this moment wherein you have exhaled and the exhale is released into the space and converted into the light of the divine light. It is converted into the energy of light by dissolving to the sacred space light which you have created now at this moment. You feel lighter and lighter and lighter. Your breathing have become more relaxed. You have a deep breath following from your nose, from your throat, from your chest, deep down into your core, to your legs, to your crown. Feel that relaxed breathing. Feel that release which you have done right now. Slowly, you see that the situations which you have visualized, the person you have visualized is giving you a blessing. It's a blessing of forgiveness. That person, that situation is giving you a light of blessing, as now your darkness have dissolved and now it has become the divine light of the sacred space. You see that that person is blessing you. You see that that person is blessing you, and with the open hands you have started receiving the blessing. Just receive the blessings. And by each moment when you're receiving the blessings, you started receiving the blessing deep inside your body. And by every breath, when you're receiving the blessings, you're thanking that person for forgiving you, for releasing you from the guilt, from the anxiety, from the unwanted situations. The divine is with you. The light is helping you to get the blessings. And with each breath, each and every cell of your body, each and every organ of your body, your mind, your soul, your aura is completely filling with the divine blessings of forgiveness. And your heart is saying deep down, and thank you. Thank you, dear, for forgiving me. Thank you for accepting my sorry. Thank you for the blessings. Feel the divine blessings in each and every cell of your body. Now, when you have received the complete divine blessings from the person, from the situation, you are sending love. The love you have just now received through the blessings of forgiveness. You are sending that love to that person, to the situation, deep inside your heart. You're saying, I love you. I love you. I love you. As soon as the situation is completely unfolded into the divine light, you feel the divine presence have completely surrounded the room. A divine presence have entered the room, a figure of pure light and unconditional love. This presence holds your hand, whispering, you are never alone. You are never alone. I am here to help you heal. As we say the four phrases together, feel this divine presence amplifying your intention, magnifying your love, and taking away your pain. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now let's connect as one collective. Visualize Everyone here as glowing souls, holding hands in a circle. We repeat the phrases not just for ourselves, but for the world. Not just for ourselves, but for the world. Imagine this light is spreading to every corner of the planet, dissolving hatred, healing pain, and creating peace. Just visualize the light you have within your space now spreading to each and every corner of the planet. By the phrases, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Together, we are gonna affirm this. Now, with the each affirmation, visualize that your light is spreading from your home to your neighbors, to your city, to your state, to your country, to all the countries, to all the oceans, to all the continents, to each and every corner of the environment, to the space universe, to the earth globe, to all the 9 planets. Just visualize and start affirming with me. Take a deep breath inside. Exhale. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You can see that each and every step, some or the other person's hurt, hatreds are dissolving. The people who are fighting are healed, their pains are healed, and each and every moment you find the peace in the world, in the planet, in the universe by your healing light. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just sending this light to the each and every corner of the planet. The trees, birds, soil, water, oceans, sky, birds, animals, forests, villages, cities, people who are working, people who are sleeping, people who are not helpless, people who need the healing. We are sending this healing to them. Thank you so much. Keep repeating this affirmation, and when you feel that your energy have completely spread to the planet, you can open your eyes and feel the divine presence is always with you. Take this therapy today with you for the whole day, and whenever you see anyone or your own self in any kind of situation, just repeat these 4 phrases and spread your divine light to each and every moment. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow again morning at 7 a.m. online on Zoom so that we will connect with these 4 phrases to the world again. This week is a focused Ho'oponopono prayer therapy. Thank you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry.